Actually, my mom is from the science background, so I felt very fascinating learning about human body. That was the first thought which came into my mind. I was probably in 6th 7th standard at that time. So Lincoln American University is one of the best options out there. You can surely look up for it. Because first of all, it is a totally English speaking country. So you're going over there not learning any other country's language. English can go. Secondly, the course is also very much in line with the Indian curriculum as well. Hello, my name is Shivani Mungekar and I'm from Mumbai. I completed my MBBS from Lincoln American University, Guyana, and also I passed out my FMGE in December 2025. It is a very good university. Like first I was very skeptical on taking admission, but then when I did it finally, I was very confident on my academics as well. I also learned many things from the university's faculty, not only in academic sense but also in life lessons as well. The teachers teach very efficiently, I must say. They also address all the doubts which the students ask. So all in all, it was very good experience, learning experience. Actually, my mom is from the science background, so I felt very fascinating learning about human body. That was the first thought which came into my mind. I was probably in 6th 7th standard at that time. I qualified NEET and then I took admission in the Lincoln American University. Like in other countries, the MBBS program is like for 6-7 years, and then you have to also compulsorily learn their local language. But here it was only in English, so that was a plus point for me that I don't have to learn extra language. And it was also the same plan, the same years as covered in India, like 4 to 5 years. Like they also provide clinical rotations of 2 years. So I thought that it would be a very nice learning experience as well for me. Like we were also told about PLAB and USMLE. So we have many students from our university who have cracked FMGE, PLAB plus USMLE, crack NEET PG or INI-CET. I mean, I have kept all the doors open. Let's see. Not necessarily in India. I will see what works best later on. We had tears of joy because yes, it was a lot of hard work. Mental stress as well for me and my parents as well, because they were also seeing that I'm just sitting in one place and studying. So yeah, it was very overwhelming. It was quite okay, but you have to adjust according to the country you live in. So yes, when in Rome, do as the Romans. It is all about your friends, because you are there away from your family. So ultimately your friends become your family, and then you have to celebrate each other's birthdays and all, contribute to each other's. So it was very nice experience. Once in a lifetime experience. Hostel, like the hostel rooms were very good. Yeah, small problems arrive here and there, but then you also get the solutions then and there. Indian food, yeah, it was an issue at the start, but then everything went well because we also had good staff who coordinated with us, and we were provided with good food as well. So Lincoln American University is one of the best options out there. You can surely look up for it. Because first of all, it is a totally English speaking country. So you're going over there not learning any other country's language. English can go. Secondly, the course is also very much in line with the Indian curriculum as well. Like 4.5 years, then you also get 2 years of clinical exposure, which is included in it. You can also do USMLE, like if you want to go abroad. So there are also other exams which you can clear from this university. Like if you want to be a doctor, then you can opt for other options as well, one of which is Lincoln American University. There's nothing wrong in it. It is quite good. Yes, thank you.